guys, and welcome back to my channel. Today we're going to be doing the unboxing of the Walmart beauty box. Now this is my second time getting this box, and I'm going to go with this is the spring box and not the one that I put up in February or March. I'm going to go with that was the winter box. So when you open it up, oh, this is what it looks like. And like I said, this is $5 a month. So for $5, it's worth just seeing what you get. Purely Pretty, rate and review this season's products at walmart.com. Hashtag Walmart Beauty Box. And again, you can always enter for a chance to win a $100 gift card by visiting the box survey. So if you get this box, you can always enter that. And I'm going to pull this out first because this is what I'm smelling. It is a Woodwick Petite Candle in Lavender Spa. And it smells amazing. Just a lavender purple colored candle. This smells great. So I will definitely be burning that. Then we got some Burt's Bees Healthy Skin Powered by Nature. So there's something from Burt's Bees in here. Okay, this is on the candle. Indulge your senses. Experience the relaxing ambience of Woodwick with the enclosed petite candle in Lavender Spa. It is available at Walmart, of course. So that goes with the candle. So let's find what goes with the Burt's Bees. The Burt's Bees Daily Moisturizing Cream for sensitive with cotton extract. So there's our little sample of that. It is a moisturizing cream. It does have a pump. And maybe it works. Okay. It finally worked. It is a white cream. There's not a smell. And it's nice. And it quickly absorbs, so that's good. It's not no tacky, sticky feeling that you can get with some lotions, so that's cool. Like I said, you can get all of these products at Walmart, and this is accepted by the National Eczema Association. So, hello moisture, goodbye redness and irritation. So that's awesome. Definitely try that out, especially if you're a sensitive skin tone person. This is Hello Farm to Tube Minty Goodness. New naturally friendly toothpaste with farm-grown mint. I'm not understanding why we get so many toothpastes in these Target boxes and Walmart boxes. But then again, you have to think about what they sell there. So, another toothpaste in Hello Naturally Whitening. Farm-grown mint. So, think about trying that and let you know what I think about it. The next thing in here is Purely Inspired. This is collagen peptides, grass-fed and pasture-raised, vitality blend with biotin, unflavored dietary supplement. So, sounds like laundry soap. I imagine that you mix this with 8 ounces of water or beverage of choice and take once daily. Read entire label before use and follow directions provided. So, it's neat that they put this kind of thing in here, but you need more than one to figure out if that's something that you want to purchase. If it is, you can get it at Walmart. Collagen peptides. I will let you know what that is all about when I use that. And then we have the V-Line Chin Up Mask, Lifting Firming Chin Up by Soe, New York. A compression facial treatment mask that lifts, firms, and cares for your chin and jaw lines. So, that's cool. As you can see on the back, you just put it around your mouth and chin area. It has the little ear things to put behind your ears so that it stays in place. Which I totally like masks like that. I do have the little silicone face thing so that I can do my sheet masks and still move around. Not be confined to one spot. So I'm glad that this is like that. I will definitely let you know how that works when I use it. And then last but not least is the makeup bag from Walmart. Last time the makeup bag was not something I would use. It had the big Walmart emblem on the front of it. And I support Walmart enough by shopping there. I'm not going to advertise for them. But this one is cute. I would probably use this one. And I know that it has the little Walmart loading emblems all over it. But if you didn't know, you wouldn't know. So again, our Walmart beauty box was all of these products for $5. So for $20 a year, you get to try some of these products. And none of these products are something that I would have chose for myself. So again, that is something to look forward to in a subscription box, because you do get items that you would not choose for yourself at any given time. I mean, none of these, minus the candle maybe, and it would be on a run of the luck kind of thing. But the rest of it I would not have chose for myself. So I was very excited to get this box. I will definitely let you know how these products perform and what I think of them. If you have not got the Walmart beauty box, like I said, for $5, go check it out. Just see what you get. I mean, everything that you get sent, you can purchase at Walmart, which is always great since we're all at Walmart anyway. But that is my beauty box for May of 2019. Like I said, that box is $5 a month, and that is for shipping. So basically, you're getting a free box of sample size products for $5. $20 a year. Definitely worth it. Okay, on that, I'm going to end this video. If you like this video, please give it a thumbs up. Possibly subscribe. And until next time, you stay beautiful and have a great day. Bye.